What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Lincoln Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2450. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the Smart Key. That's done by pressing this button on the front, and then the key will slide out like that. And if we hold the Smart Key with the buttons facing down, we're going to use the emergency key to pry off this back cover. If we see this slot right here, what we want to do is put the emergency key in that slot, and then we're just going to pry up on the back cover like that. And with that cover off, we can see our battery right here. And if you get a small flathead screwdriver or even something with like a point on it, you can put it in this little slot right here to just get the battery started and get it out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And we'll kind of tuck this corner in first, like that, and then go ahead and snap it all the way in. We'll grab our back cover, and you'll notice on one of the sides there's these two tabs. We'll start those in at the top first, like that, and then snap the back on. Slide our emergency key in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.